In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import or add contacts in Brevo. This is a crucial skill for managing your communications effectively and ensuring you can reach out to your contacts efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll start by looking at the left-hand sidebar of your Brevo dashboard. Here, you will find an option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on this to access the contact management section of your account. Once you're on the contacts page, your next step is to find and select import contacts. Clicking this will allow you to begin the process of bringing in new contacts to your Brevo account. You'll be presented with a choice on how you want to import your contacts. For our purposes, let's first choose upload a file. This is particularly useful if you have a large list of contacts stored in a spreadsheet. You'll need to have a CSV file ready, structured with columns for various fields like email, first name, last name, and any custom fields you might use, such as company or birthday. Once your CSV file is good to go, upload it there in the import section. After your file has been uploaded, you will be prompted to map each column of your CSV to the corresponding fields in Brevo. This step is crucial as it ensures that all information from your file is matched correctly to the system's contact fields, which allows a seamless import of data. Next, decide which list you want these new contacts to be part of. Brevo lets you organize your contacts into lists, so choose the appropriate list where you want these contacts to be added. Once you've selected the list, you can proceed to confirm the import. This ensures that Brevo registers and processes your new data entry request. Now let's glance at the alternative method. After confirming your previous batch, you'll return once more to the Import Contacts option and choose Copy Paste your contacts this time. This approach is ideal for quickly adding a few contacts, particularly when dealing with a smaller set of data. Once selected, you'll need to paste your email addresses into the provided space. The format is flexible, allowing you to enter emails one per line or in a comma-separated list. This method gives you the flexibility to add their information swiftly and efficiently. Much like the file upload method, you'll then need to map the columns of the pasted data to Brevo fields. Accurate mapping of this data ensures that the information integrates correctly into your contact lists. Then it's time to assign these newly entered contacts to a list, ensuring they're correctly categorized within your Brevo account. Finally, click Confirm to finalize the process. That's it! You've successfully learned how to import and add contacts in Brevo, both via file upload and by copy pasting. These methods ensure you can keep your communication efforts organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.